Fun fact, did you know that there are over 8 billion with a B, Google searches per day? Every day, Google searches. That doesn't even count other search engines. We're just looking at Google. And that is a lot of opportunities that you are missing because you aren't using the right keywords on your website. That is a lot of opportunities for you to show up in front of potential clients and customers, but you're not there. You're not out there in Google's search results. But we're gonna fix that today. Now, if you are new to SEO, I first wanna back up real quick and just explain SEO and keyword research, because we're gonna be talking about using the right keywords. So SEO is search engine optimization. We are optimizing your site and your site content to show up in Google. Because just because you write a blog post about how to train for a half marathon in 12 weeks doesn't mean that Google is going to show you in search results. Frankly, just because you even have a website at all doesn't mean you're going to show up in search results. You have to optimize it. Similar to just because you go to the gym or you go for a walk doesn't mean you necessarily will lose weight or get stronger. You have to optimize it. You have to do the right things to see results. And part of SEO, a small part, is keyword research. So we need to find the right words to put on your website. So these words we'll be using on your pages and in your blog posts. Even if you create videos or podcasts and you put those on your website, you can also use the keywords there as well. If you sell products, physical or digital, you can optimize those as well. So this keyword research really helps make sure you are creating the right content and optimizing it correctly, and we'll talk about what that means, to show up in Google search. Now, before we talk about finding the right keywords, I want to clarify that there are actually 2 types of keywords: short keywords and long tail keywords. So short keywords or short tail keywords are usually 1 or 2 words. Coffee beans, running shoes, running, just really generally broad topics usually. Some may not be, obviously not every singular word is a broad topic, but you get the point. Long tail keywords are usually at least 4 to 5 words. Often they are questions or how-tos, but not always. So running might be the short keyword, and running or training for a half marathon in 12 weeks would be that long tail keyword. So you have the short and the long. You can use a mix of both. Most often longer phrases, even like doesn't have to be a full 8 words, doesn't have to be a full question, but usually something a little more niche is going to be easier to rank for than just coffee. So most of the time, my clients are focusing on those medium to long key phrases for their SEO strategy. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's talk about choosing the right keywords. You want to use a keyword research tool. I'm partial to Ahrefs Keyword Generator. There are tons out there. You can find whichever one works for you. You want to find something that has low competition or low difficulty and high search volume. The search volume is based on average monthly searches. So if you're wondering where that number comes from, that's what that is. So that's the magic of what you're looking for. So ideally you would want something that's maybe like a 5 on a scale of competitiveness, meaning basically no competition, no difficulty, and over 1,000 searches per month. Not that that's the minimum. I usually say my minimum is 300 to 500 searches per month for the most part. So that's what you want to be looking for. Now there is a caveat to this, because sometimes when you do keyword research, you type in your phrase, your question, your keywords, some ideas, and it comes back with 0 searches per month or 50 searches per month. And you're like, really? That's it? That's all that I get? This is the only search volume? I'm only gonna have 50 people maybe searching for this every month? those are still okay to try as long as they're not super competitive, because those are really, really niche questions likely, and those people might be higher in the funnel and might be an easier conversion for you. So I wouldn't recommend using a ton of these low search keywords. I would only make like 10% of your keyword usage in that low search range, but don't completely ignore them. Once you find those keywords, you've done the research, you want to put those keywords on your site. One keyword or key phrase per page. You don't want to try and rank one page for coffee in Atlanta and coffee beans and whatever else. One per page or per post. So that may mean multiple posts that are similar in nature but focused differently. So you use those keywords in the titles, the subtitles, in the body copy itself. And that is, in short, in a super simplified explanation, how you are optimizing your content for specific keywords. If you have any questions about keyword research, let me know down in the comments. Or if you want to work with an SEO strategist like me, I'll put the link to my services down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.